There. I tried.
I know.
I did that for before, Mom.
I know, but you best get it out now before you take it. And you're coughing. I know.
I don't want you to get busted, like that's what happens.
Yeah, I won't.
My eyes are large right now because I want you to get in trouble.
Fuck.
I want to start person's house. Because I gotta do my thing.
No, just cough before you get it done.
Oh.
Just do all the coughing before you swallow.
Hunty.
Fucking finger.
Fox, this is How about you, Shay?
Oh.
Do you have expressions or whatever one? I can't explain. Before I moved to college. I don't know what it is. What? Now?
Yeah.